So I'll be showing you how to create an Instagram post and schedule it to be posted at a later time or later date. Okay, so let's go ahead and create an Instagram post. So I have this draft. I'll just continue editing my draft. And then once I finish editing, at the very last page where I put my caption and I tag people and I add location and all that stuff, AI labels, all this stuff, if you scroll all the way down, you should see more options. Okay. Now, obviously, if you tap share, it's going to get posted right now. And that's not what you want. So tap on more options. And in the more options, you will see schedule this reel. Okay. So if it's a normal post, it's going to be schedule this post. So I can turn that on and it's going to ask me when I want to schedule it to. So I can leave it for today. Right now it's Friday, 11th April, as you can see, and it's around 12:40. Okay, so what you want to do is maybe push it to a later time. Maybe if I want to publish it automatically at 3:45 p.m., I'll just set it like that. I can even choose a different day, and I can even push it all the way to maybe a whole month from today, so I can have it published on 9th May. Okay, at that time. So tap on done, and you can see that enables that. And while I'm at it, I might also choose to upload at the highest quality, but that's not the point of the video. The point of the video is how to schedule. So you can see I've set my post to schedule. I've scheduled my post to be posted automatically on Friday, May 9th at 3:45 p.m. Okay, so once I do that, I can now hit the back button, and then you can see this, instead of saying share, it now says schedule. So tap on that, and that post will be uploaded, will be kept in the schedule until that day. Then it's going to be published to the public. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.